Today, I'm going to be changing the blades on this FERRIS 400s. So first what I did is I jacked the machine up. I put the jack stands underneath. You can use a service jack if you'd like. Whatever your means are by jacking up the machine. Just make sure you do it safely. And now we can get to changing the blades. Okay, so here I have a 16mm socket and a piece of wood. Right here is loosened. So this will loosen the blades. So what you're going to want to do, I'm going to pull this blade back a little bit like that. And we're going to put this piece of wood right here underneath to stop this blade from moving so we can take it off. We're going to hold one hand, we're going to hold the piece of wood like this. The other, we're going to loosen this. So I'm going to put this piece of wood right on this crease right here. And it's going to wedge just like that once I start turning. So as you can see, the board is now locked in against the blade and against this crease right here. So now you can start taking this off. There we go, we broke it loose. Now, it should come off the rest of the way by hand. I'm going to hold the blade up so it doesn't fall down on me. And I'm going to take the bolt the rest of the way out. And there we go. So now, here is our new blade. We're going to put it up onto the hub, right there, and put the bolt in by hand. And now you can see it is spinning when I try to tighten it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing we did before. So now we're going to wedge the blade now in the opposite direction. Just like that. As you can see, the piece of wood is wedged with the blade. And now we're going to tighten it. Okay. And that's it. Last thing you want to look out for is when you put these blades on, you want to make sure this flap is facing up. That creates the lift on the grass. So that on all three, you want to make sure you have not put them backwards. You want to make sure this flap is facing up. So now we're going to move on to the other two blades. I'm going to fast forward through it and I'll see you at the end. Thanks for watching J Bell's Outdoors, and I hope to catch you in another video.